before starting our garments factory, then now we are in second position in all of the world, and now we are employing about 4 million people, 40 lakhs women folks in our country. That was the innovation mainly from our Honorable Prime Minister, innovation, and the innovation also, he made the speaker, he made the judges, he made the professor, she made the Vice Chancellor also in our country. This is, I can say, that is innovation in respect of the women employment, women empowerment, and women employment also. And I think it is possible in Bangladesh under the leadership of our Honorable Prime Minister, the innovation in employment, innovation in economic activities for the disabled person. That is why her daughter is Putul, Saima Putul is the chairman of our autistic. And you know that in India, Sonia Gandhi is chairman of the Indian Autistic Foundation, and autistic is a part of disabled. This is one of the side of disabled people.